Hey guys, Pete here from Pete's Big Breaks. Welcome to my first break of the Bowman Chrome. Hopefully a lot of you are back. I just cracked open some Mosaic football. Had a good break right there, pulled an auto. Some nice stuff. But this will be the first of the Bowman Chrome I broke. Finally was able to find some last week or so. Pretty anxious to open it. I like colors. Bowman Chrome is usually good for neat colors, right? I've never seen a mega box before. I think this might be the first year of the mega boxes, but we'll find out, and we'll all find out together. So, quick disclaimers: I don't believe there are any multi-card teams in this, but if there are, it will go left to right, top to bottom. Current teams. Yeah, I don't believe there were any important trades this year to go over, so I don't think there's anybody on a different team this year. I will be sleeving all the rookies. I will sleeve all the inserts. Bigger cards I will sleeve up and top load right away. We hit a monster. I got a few of the magnetic one touches just waiting. But first off, we'll get the list of who's got what. And we'll start that right now. Nathan G, you got the Diamondbacks and Braves. Darren K, you got the Orioles. Larry G, the Red Sox. Robert C, the Cubs. Andrew D, the Reds. Andrew D also have the Indians. Larry G, the Rockies. Brandy H, the Tigers. William T, the Astros. Phil R, the Royals. Jonathan W, you got the Angels and Dodgers. Nathan G, the Marlins. John H, the Brewers. Andrew D, the Twins. Ramon A, the Yankees. Matthew M, the Mets. William T, you got the Athletics. Jordan P, the Blue Jays. Spencer J, the Phillies. Jeremy H, the Pirates. Robert C, the Padres. Andrew D, I have the Giants. Robert C, you got the Mariners. Nathan G, you got the Cardinals. Jordan P, you got the Rays. Robert K, you got the Rangers. Eric All, you got the Nationals. And John B, you got the White Sox. So, should be a pretty fun break. Like I said, I love Bowman Chrome. Always have, always will. Feel free to talk with me. I'm more than happy to converse with you guys. It makes the break go by. If we don't do that, I kind of feel like I'm talking to myself. But anyways, without further ado, let's start cracking into some of this stuff. We'll stack up the boxes right here. And let's get this party started. And you guys who haven't yet, go ahead and like and follow my Facebook page. You guys will be the first to know when I'm doing a bonus. I like to throw some free stuff out there every once in a while. You'll also know early in the week which breaks I have coming up. All my breaks will be listed on eBay. And they always have a yellow background, so you know they're mine. But there is an empty box. And this is the first bunch of packs. Let's see what we got. Let me take a quick little peek first. Looks like we got Mega Box Chrome, exclusive Chrome Mega Box pack. We got two of those. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regular packs. Alright, let's see what we can do. Pulling some fire. What are we looking for tonight? Throw some names at me. I know everybody, the White Sox guys, are going to want the Robert. Who else? A little bit of Bo Bichette. Maybe some Gavin Lux. But first off, we got Anthony Rendon. Whit Merrifield. Trent Grisham, rookie. And Cody Bellinger. Oh, one hiding. Miguel Cabrera. So only one rookie in the first pack. I'm used to seeing like a ton of rookies out of this stuff. Almost like the Bowman Chrome's known for their rookies and their prospects. I believe the Chrome packs or the those bonus packs are the prospects for the most part. Jason Dominguez I've not seen well. Trout fishing. Arrows Arena. Yeah, Lux. I love those. Hopefully we pull a little bit of all of them. Eddie Rosario. Rhys Hoskins. Jose Abreu. My White Sox. Josh Bell. And Willie Calhoun. What do you guys want to do tonight? You want me to open up all these regular packs and save all the cool Chrome Mega Box exclusive stuff till the end, or you want me to bust it all as we open it? Probably shouldn't ask. I'm gonna have 15 different answers. Zach Collins rookie. Wander Franco, all right. Justin Dunn rookie. Garrett Cole. Buster Posey. And Corey Kluber. Have any of you guys busted open any of this stuff yet? And if you have you hitting anything real cool, anything low numbered? Do they have a whole lot of numbered stuff in this other than the colors? I'm very unfamiliar with it. It's the first of it I've opened. Jacob deGrom. Manny Machado. Blake Snell. Dan Vogelbach. And nice Bryce Harper. Not really, hey. Good. We'll see. I always love the chrome design, for sure. A nice rookie card of Zach Gallen. Rookie, Dustin May. Chris Bryant. John Means. And rookie card, Logan Allen. Let's just crack those cool packs up right away. You hit a J. Wow, that's a nice card. Retail's more vet heavy. Yeah. I can't bring myself to buy hobby yet. I mean, the stuff really digs into my pocketbook. Alright. Looks like some Mojo looking cards. Kind of hard to see them real good, but we got Quinn Priester. Julio Rodriguez. Dawn of Glory, Ryan. We Joe Ryan. Any good Phillies potential? Honestly, I have no clue. Like I said, this is the first I've opened any of it this year. I did not go through the checklist. And Steel Walker. Got Vidal Brujan. Looks like these are all prospects. Alejandro Kirk. Looks like a nice little orange. Oh, that is a nice one. Bryce Terang, orange. That is numbered to 20. Looks like 24? 25? Very nice. We'll get him sleeved up and top loaded right away. That was nice to pull out orange right away. What are the lower numbers? We got the reds and the rose gold, right? A little bit thicker cardstock. Very nice. Terang. Not only that, he's a position player, not a pitcher. That helps out even better. Happy Comfy. Safe in his sleeve. I'll take that. Pretty much paid for the Brewers break right away, right? Christian Patch. And Shane McCarthy. That was box number 1. Pulling something out of 25 in the first box. Yeah, I'm good with that. How do we improve on it? Stations. Arrows Arenas. What are Arrows Arena? Not his first Bowman? Okay. So these are not first Bowmans, these Prosper, these Mojo cards then. One wild one just jumped out of the screen at me. Alright, let's see what we got in box number 2. Speaking of not first Bowmans, has anybody seen first Bowmans out of this product at all? This is a empty box. So far out of that first box, I did not see anything that said first Bowman. Not a bad rookie there. Dylan Cease, White Sox. Alex Young. Gleyber Torres. Jordan Yamamoto, rookie. And there's your guy. Randy Arozarena. First one. We'll get him sleeved and top loaded right away. I know he's one of the hotter players definitely in this product. A lot of guys are loving on him. Was he a home run leader? Rookie home run leader maybe? That plastic doesn't want to work. Only the autos. Okay, I get it. There he is, Mr. Arozarena. Happy, comfy, safe in a sleeve. Early fire. You're welcome, sir. Hopefully we get a little bit more, maybe a little bit of color from him too. Joey Votto. Jesus Luzardo. Another one of those Rookie of the Year candidates. Tony Gonsolin. Yu Chang. And Mike Clevenger. Box number 2 shaping up pretty well so far. $10 bill. Free $10, right, John? Christian Yelich. Only need one more. Pays for that whole break. Alex Bregman. Jose Barrios. Oh, there's not a bad one. Maybe we see a little bit of Lewis Robert. Absolutely could be a $20 bill next week. This one might be a $20 bill sooner than that. I am a White Sox fan. So now we got an Arozarena and a Robert right away. It's been a good box so far. Little Lou Bob, yep. Happy, comfy, safe in the sleeve, and top loader. And our last card, Matt Chapman. Well, that's 2 really good packs in a row. How can we improve? Might as well pull a Bichette and a Gavin Lux, right? Just make the whole box. Marcus Semien. Evan Longoria. Brian Reynolds. That's not a bad rookie. Abraham Toro. I'm not going to complain about Toro. So far, nice rookie box. Happy, comfy, safe in the sleeve, and top loader. And a UC Kikuchi. A colored Dominguez. That'd be awesome. I got a beautiful magnetic sitting here waiting for just that card. Got Salvador Perez. Albert Alzolay. Not a bad rookie. Brendan McKay. Brusdar Graterol, another good rookie. Really good rookie pack. And the base guy, Juan Soto. Well, if we're going to pull a colored card, it's going to have to be out of this this exclusive stuff, right? Got the orange out of the last one. Maybe red. What do those rose gold ones look like? Are they neat? I haven't seen one yet. First off, we got Dylan Carlson. Luis Garcia, Sam Huff, Tyler Stevenson, and Blake Rutherford. And here, not seeing any color in this one. Produce Nova, Ryan Castellani, Dawn of Glory, Andrew Vaughn, nice looking card, Geraldo Perdomo, and Brandon Marsh. I pulled all our nice stuff out of the regular packs in that box. Can we improve? Box number 3. No Dominguez yet. Need a little Dominguez. Need a little Gavin. Bo Bichette. Man, I was opening some Topps Chrome, one of my very first breaks of the year, way back in August. And I pulled a really nice, it was a Bo Bichette reverse negative. And you know what's funny? I didn't even realize what I had. I didn't sleeve it right away. I was like, oh, it's a nice card. Well, somebody called me out on it right away, like, it's a $200 card. Why did you not sleeve and top load that? So I did, right away. Alright, box number 3. Let's go. That's a pretty good fire so far already. Well, there we go. Ask for a Gavin, get a Gavin. Get him sleeved up and top loaded. I'm gonna have to break into another pack of top loaders. There he is. Happy Comfy, safe in a sleeve, and top loader. Any other names you want to pull? Another Dylan Cease, Alex Young, Ketel Marte, and Tim Anderson. Lux is on the roster for the World Series, for real? Dylan Cease. Man, why aren't you Lewis Robert coming up here this quick, this fast, and all over the place? Alex Young. Matt Chapman. Yusei Kikuchi. And Francisco Lindor. That's cool that they put him on the roster for the World Series. Let them rookies have some championship series experience. The Joey Votto, Sal Perez, Christian Yelich, Jorge Alfaro, and I'm just going to sleeve it up because, well, I think the guy deserves it. Fernando Tatis Jr. What's funny about Fernando Tatis Jr.? I was just going through a box of my late 80s, early 90s card and found a Fernando Tatis Sr. Joey Votto. Thought I just saw him. Heck yeah, nice Tatis. Never gonna complain about that. So, didn't we just see this exact pack? Salvador Perez? No, that changed. JD Martinez. Freddie Freeman. And Jordan Yamamoto. One more base pack. Marcus Semien, he's all over me too. It seems like you see a lot of the same players in this. I don't know how big the set is, but it can't be huge. Evan Longoria. Austin Meadows. Vlad Guerrero Jr. and Paul Goldschmidt. So apparently all our good stuff's going to come from these bonus packs in this one. Last box, it was the base cards were the better. Let's see what this does. Got Jay Groom. There's a nice one. Jason Dominguez. This will be the Mojo refractor. Very pretty card. It's not colored. Sorry. I did my best. It's not autoed. But if you're going to complain about it, I don't know. I definitely wouldn't complain about it. Very nice, Jason. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleeve. And top loader. Just kind of peeking at it. Looks pretty good. It might be just off center, slightly to the left. But other than that, it looks really good. Nice, Jason. Next we got, I think that's Casey Mize. Yep, Casey Mize, Dawn of Glory. Michael Toglia. And Noah Song. So I guess we weren't wrong when we said our better cards were going to come out of the big Mojo pack, for lack of a better word. What else can we get? Mackenzie Gore. Sorry about the clout. There we go. We're a little out of focus there for a second. Jared Clinic. Oh, we got a pink. Ryan Jansen. That'll be out of 199. The Cubs. So it seems like, so far, every other box has had a color. First one had the orange. Second one didn't have anything. And this third one had a pink. Why does that look so... I gotta open up a new set of these things. For some reason, my top loaders had some dust on them. There we are. Colored cards are on just a shade thicker cardstock. There he is. Nice Ryan Jansen. Next up, we got Alex Kirilloff. And our last card of the box, Tristan Casas. Casas. 2 boxes left. I kind of like this stuff already. And for what you pay for a box, I think you definitely get more than your money worth. These things are like 35 bucks, 36 bucks in the store. A little bit more online. You know, they're definitely not a Flippers product. You're getting 42, 43 bucks for them online, which is not unreasonable. And there it is. Our empty box. What will box number 3 hold? Box number 1 got the orange. Box number 2. Again, box number 2. We get the Arrow Zorana. And a Robert, I do believe. Box number 3's got the pink and the JSN. What's box number 4 going to do? Aaron Savali. Adrian Morjan. Jordan Alvarez, which is kind of weird that it's a rookie, because I've seen a lot of his stuff. Happy Comfy. Safe in his sleeve. Got Jose Abreu. And Josh Bell. Next up, we got Mookie Betts, Jacob deGrom, Isan Diaz, rookie, Ketel Marte, and Tim Anderson. Let's see if we can improve on that Jordan. Jordan's not a bad card, but rookie card for the A's, AJ Puck, not a bad rookie. Charlie Blackmon, Keston Hiura, Willie Calhoun, another A's rookie out of that pack, Sheldon Neuse. Cousin. Jordan Alvarez cousin, that'd be awesome, right? Go see as many games as you want for free. Manny Machado, Blake Snell, Jorge Alfaro, the nice Tatis, Happy Comfy, safe in his sleeve, and Vlad Guerrero Jr. One more base pack out of this fourth box. You want another Lux? Okay, we'll do our best. Got Pete Alonso. Thing I like about this stuff so far, it's not an out of your price range break. Like you can get your bigger teams like your White Sox for 20, 30 bucks. Makes it tolerable instead of paying what, 70, 80, 90, $100 for the Topps Chrome. Hyunjin Ryu. Well, there's our first little Bo Bichette. I'll just hide the next card for a second if I can. We saw it once already. We're seeing it again. There's Bo. Bo knows baseball. As a matter of fact, what's funny, I just went through, when I was going through that 80s, 90s box, I found a Bo Jackson football rookie. Thing was pristine. Alright. Hello, Bo. Happy Comfy, safe in his sleep, and top loader. And nobody cares about this guy anyways, right? Ariel Zarena, number 2. That one looks really clean. Looking at it, the centering's good. I don't know if you guys like to grade this stuff. I have not graded anything yet, but I'd like to. It's kind of pricey. Really gotta think your card's something special to put it in. Happy Comfy, safe in his sleeve. Yeah, that's a good pack right there. Arrow and Bo in the same pack. Alright, let's go with these Mojo cards. I've heard this name before. Baron Laura. One of those guys that's been talked about this year a little bit. Happy Comfy, safe in his sleeve. Next up, we got Tim Cate, Donna Glory, Joe Dell, Jeremiah Jackson. Must be an Angels kind of pack. And Tanner Huck. What do you think? We gonna pull color out of this pack? Or what? 2 out of 3. I don't see any color in here. Alex Fado. Tony Santinellian. Donna Glory. Isaac Predes. Colorado. Say that name 15 times fast. And a Matt Manning. Seems like these Mojo inserts are completely hit or miss, hey? I can't say that, though. I guess that Ryu, or that Laura, was not a bad card. Alright, guys, this is our last box. We have quite a bit more of this stuff. Like, so far I like it, so I'll be cracking a lot more of it in the next couple weeks. Matter of fact, I just purchased another 9 boxes from somebody online today. That'll give us a little playroom. There's your empty box. Alright, this is it. And this is all. Might actually get to watch the football game a little while. Of course, I haven't watched any yet this year. What would propel me to now? Jose Barrios. Rookie. Anthony K. Aquino. Who haven't we pulled yet? Anybody big? Any of the big names we haven't got yet? I mean, I say that with a grain of salt because the next is a rookie as well, and it's one of the bigger names. Nice Aquino. The last card's Kyle Lewis. Happy comfy? Safe in a sleeve and top loader. You notice I don't push them on all the way yet. I don't want to bang on the cards. You know, you bang them on your finger, bang them on a table. Just makes for bad TV. We'll take care of that after the break. There's a weird card. I haven't seen this about 4 times tonight. Dylan Cease. Alex Young. Joey Votto. Vlad Guerrero Jr. and Paul Goldschmidt. Witt Jr. is in this product? Okay, yeah, you're right. We have not seen him yet. Brian Reynolds. Nico Horner. He's kind of a name rookie. Trey Mancini. Dan Vogelbach. And Bryce Harper. Somebody was asking about Phillies. I haven't seen a whole lot of Phillies rookies. A couple of Bryce Harpers. Haven't seen a Mike Trout yet, have we? Salvador Perez, a lot of Angels, but no Trout. Christian Yelich. Another Marcus Semien. Oh, that just happens so darn often. Well, we're going to sleeve him up quick. It's uncanny. You just magically mention the name and somebody pops up. Somebody was trout fishing earlier. Got one for you. You caught one. Happy comfy. Safe and asleep. And Mauricio Dubon. This will be the last of the regular pack. Little different top cards. Xander Bogaerts. Justin Verlander. Nice little Gavin Lux. Somebody mentioned him. I believe that's number 2 of the Gavins. Pulled a nice green one out of the Topps Chrome. Number to 99, the 85 reprint. should I push my luck and call a color in the last Mojo packs? Happy Comfy, safe in a sleeve. Got a Jorge Alfaro. And our third, Fernando Tatis. I think the guy's going to be an all-star for how many years? Forever. He could get to Trout standings maybe pretty easy. All right, let's see if we pull a color. I'm gonna call a color. I'm gonna call. I can't call red, can I? We'll see. I'm pushing my luck. Ryan Hearn. Oh, excuse me, Ethan Hearn. William Contreras. Donna Glory. Rushman. Adley. Rushman. Clark Schmidt. Oh, I can't even read it. Cabrian. That is a really difficult one to read. Cabrian Hayes. Alright, this is the last shot at color. Dang, I pressed my luck too much. Oh, that might be something different. It looks kind of white. I could be completely wrong, but it looks different. Jeremiah Jackson. Tanner Huck. That definitely looks something different. I don't know what that is. Put it on the bottom just for make y'all wait. Nolan Gorman. Looks like it's white. You're right. Kyle Mueller. Anybody know what the whites are numbered to? I don't. It's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be a Cub or an Indian. That is an autograph. There we go. Daniel Espino. So the autographs are white. It is not numbered. Last pack Mojo. Autograph looks kind of cool. Daniel Espino. So these are $4.99. I don't see it. I do not see the $4.99 on there. It must be just short printed, but not on the card. Or maybe it's just not a white. It's just an auto. But I'll take an auto. Out to them Indians. Overall, I thought that was a pretty darn good break. Pulled some really nice stuff out of this. I hope you guys all had a good time. I did. It's nice to hang out with you guys. Nice to chat. I want to put that one in a little bit thicker card holder just because it doesn't like to sit down nice in there. This is going to be temporary. There he is. Happy Comfy, safe in a sleeve, and top loader. So, we'll do this little quick hit parade. Most of it's going to be rookies. A couple of colors. And there's going to be a few Tatises in here. There's a Tatis. You got a Mike Trout. Got a Laura. Mojo. Another Tatis. Jordan Alvarez. Rookie. Another Tatis. Tatis was everywhere tonight. Got a Gavin Lux. Got a Kyle Lewis. Got an Aquino. Errol Zarena, number 1. Bo Bichette. Got a pink Ryan Jensen, $1.99. Got a beautiful Mojo refractor, or Mojo, Jason Dominguez. Another Gavin Lux. Abraham Toro. Lewis Robert. Another Errol Zarena. Got the Terang, number 25. And our base auto of Espino. So that's the hit parade. Like I said, hope you guys all had a good time. Really glad you could join me tonight. Glad everybody, well, most people hit something. Everything that was big was out. If you guys like the break, feel free to go ahead and follow my Facebook page. Like I said, you get the latest updates on what I'm doing next. I appreciate all you guys being here. On that note, go enjoy some football for the rest of the evening. Good night, guys.